Good morning, kindergarten. I heard that you have been listening to the story Blueberries for Sal, which is one of my favorite books, and I thought this morning that I would create a math activity for you. So you see that I have a sheet of some 10 frames here, and we're going to use the 10 frames to talk about blueberries that Sal and her mother collect. So the first, I'm going to take 10 blueberries, and I'm going to fill that up. That's how many blueberries Sal's mom had in her bucket. And then pling, plang, kaplunk. Sal put some blueberries in her bucket. How many blueberries did Sal and her mom have in all? I want you to take some time to think about that and then figure out how many blueberries that Sal and her mom had collected in their two buckets. What do you think? What do you think the answer is? Well, I know here that I have a full 10 frame filled in, so that means that I have 10 blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then Sal has more, so 11, 12, 13. So the answer I'm going to put is that Sal and her mom had collected 13 blueberries. Did you get 13 blueberries? If you did, very good job. That's awesome. All right, now Sal wasn't collecting blueberries as fast as her mother was. Sal was a little bit slower. She was eating a lot of the blueberries that went into her bucket. So Sal's mom was collecting some blueberries, and she had this many blueberries in her bucket. And then we had Sal that collected some more. Kaplink, kaplank, kaplunk. All right, now we have to figure out how many blueberries did Sal and her mother collect in all. Sal's mother obviously was collecting more blueberries, and Sal is not collecting many, but she's doing kaplink, kaplank, kaplunk into her bucket. So let's figure this out. I'm going to give you a moment to think about it. How many blueberries do they have all together? Okay, let's see if we can figure this out together. So we have a full 10 frame filled in. So that means that we have 10 blueberries, but let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. If you thought that Sal and her mother had collected 18 blueberries, then you are correct. Let's put the 18 down there. Now here, you might notice, as we said, this was 10, so I'm going to put the number 10 underneath there. So we know that that's 10. And then over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because that whole top row is filled in, and that top row is 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to put the number 8 there. So we can see that 10 plus 8 more is 18. Just like up here, when we had our 10 frame all filled in, we know that we had 10 blueberries. So I'm going to put that right up there so we can see that that's 10 again. But over here, we didn't have as many blueberries the first time. Kaplink, kaplank, kaplunk. We had 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put the number 3 right up there so that we can see that 10 plus 3 more equals 13. So 10 plus 3 more equals 13. Our second one was 10 plus 8 more equals 18. All right, we've been doing a really good job of counting blueberries. We have 2 more situations where we're going to need to think about how many blueberries we have. Okay, so Sal's mom, again, she's working really hard and she's picking lots of blueberries. And then Sal decided, you know what? I'm going to stop eating so many blueberries and I'm going to pick a lot of blueberries too. So Sal picked all of those blueberries all by herself, the ones that are right here. So let's try to figure out how many blueberries that Sal has all together with her mom. I'm going to give you a moment to think about that. Okay, I know I didn't give you a whole lot of time, but let's do this together now. Now let's see if you remember, if I have this all filled in, how many blueberries did Sal's mom pick? If you said 10, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, that's 10 blueberries. Now over here, if we have the whole thing filled in again, how many blueberries do you think are in that one that Sal picked all by herself? Did you say 10? If you said 10, you are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 blueberries there. Okay, so now we have to figure out how many blueberries there are all together. Maybe some of you already know. Maybe some of you are figuring it out. Let's see. I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Sal and her mom, that means they picked all together. They had 20 blueberries. So I'm going to put that over here. All right, nice job. I know that kindergartners, you've been working on teen numbers and counting up to 20. So look at this. We have a teen number 13. We have a teen number 18. And then we've gotten past the teens and we're on 20 on this one. Okay, we have one more to solve. So Sal's mom was picking lots of blueberries yet again. And she picked this many. And then Sal came along and did ka-plink, blank, kaplunk, and added her blueberries to the amount that they have. So let's try to figure out how many blueberries Sal and her mom have all together. Let's do some of this work together so that we can make sure. Okay, so we have this whole 10 frame filled in. So we know that there must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 blueberries there. So we have 10, and then if we keep counting, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that means we have 14 total. So 14 total blueberries they had. Again, another teen number. But we're missing something. We're missing the number down here. Can you figure out how many we need to put down there? What number we need to put down there? How many blueberries are in our 10 frame? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 blueberries. Oops, I got to move my 4 over here. Awesome. So 10 blueberries plus 4 more blueberries equals 14 blueberries. Oh, kindergartners, you've done such a great job with this blueberry math today and helping me figure out these problems. You've solved lots of problems with addition that are in the teen numbers and even one that's up to 20. And you worked on noticing and realizing that when a whole 10 frame is filled in, that you have 10 blueberries right there. And then 10 plus some more gets us into the teen numbers sometimes if that more is less than 10. So very good job, kindergartners. I hope that you have enjoyed this blueberry math and have a great day.